Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, a Sufi saint, a refined scholar and poet of Sindh. In the year 1976, to fulfill the need and necessity of education in Pakistan and to cater the devotion of the knowledge in the youth, Sindh University decided to establish a campus of Jamshoro University in Khairpur Mirs and named it after this great poet, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. The contribution towards the education made it easy for the Sindh Provincial Assembly to pass an act making Khairpur campus as an independent university. The students attentively procure their studies. A bus service is functional to pick and drop the students from different spots in the area. The university is situated on the national highway, so the students from other cities can easily reach there. Shah Abdul Latif University is located in a beautiful and peaceful area of Khairpur and is surrounded by fascinating sceneries. The canals coming from River Indus are intersecting the city and sophisticating the environment. The orchards of date palm are not only making university beautiful, but it also helps to keep the air fresh. In spite of being located in the countryside, surrounded in villages, and having difficulties in spreading education in subclass, Shah Latif University has proved itself as one of the best institutes for higher education and research in the country. In the present day, there are more than 7,000 graduates and postgraduate students studying in the university, with a ratio of 25% female students. More than 200 well-qualified faculty members and 65 PhDs are serving the university to strengthen the backbone of the country. On 20th January 2013, the Chief Minister Sindh, Sayyid Qaim Ali Shah, inaugurated Shahid Benazir Bhutto Chair, which is under construction and will be in a position to serve in a year. Among many achievements, Date Palm Research Institute is the greatest of all. Some of the best professionals, professors and researchers are working to cultivate date palm. From the tissues of date to the plant till the tree, the team behind this effort keeps working on making this process a success. This facility is the only successful date palm research center in the country. Botanical Garden and Herbarium is the second biggest research facility in the university. And it has a central role for research on plant and mycological biodiversity. To serve the students with the best research education, the university has separate labs for mostly every department, where students practice their theories in the supervision of professors of their respective subjects, such as microbiology lab, biochemistry and physics labs, and are fully equipped. Most of the departments have their own libraries. The main library is located at the main campus, Khairpur. Besides maintaining a collection of print materials, the university library system also maintains a collection of e-resources and also subscribes to over 8,000 e-journals under the HEC Digital Library Program. International Day of Forest was commemorated on the 21st of March 2013. This event was organized to aware the students about global warming, which was named as Plant a Tree, Plant the Future, and was celebrated by the Center for Biodiversity and Conservation and Sindh Forest Department. The university has established institutions such as Directorate of Research, Quality Enhancement Cell, Indus Development Research Center, Center for Biodiversity and Conservation, Date Palm Research Institute, High-Tech Lab, Information Technology Resource Center, Diagnostic Research Center, Directorate of Postgraduate Studies, Directorate of Archaeology and Anthropology, and Directorate of Academic and Higher Education Linkage Program. To maintain the standard of education, the university has attention towards advancement of computer endeavor. Keeping in mind the computer technology, department has established computer labs equipped with the most recent computers and accessories. A well-qualified professor gives lectures to the students with the help of a multimedia projector to clear all the points regarding the subject. The university recently organized 2 international conferences organized by the Department of Computer Sciences and Urdu. University has not lodged itself to limited departments, but students can study their choice of subject associated to their goal in life. University has almost all faculties a student can think of, and all these faculties having all the related departments. As the university is located in the heart of Sindh, it has many students from the different cities and villages of the region. To accommodate them, the university has 3 male and 3 female hostels with all the necessities of life. Sport is the best exercise of body and mind, so many teams are coached by some brilliant sportsmen to lead the students to form a great team. Well-maintained playing fields are located in the campus, where numerous tournaments are organized to bring the unity in the students in the form of playing for their team. Shikarpur campus. Visualizing the ever-growing need of the people of Upper Sindh for higher education, the Shah Abdul Latif University, Khairpur, has established a campus in Shikarpur city, which is functional since March 2012. In the first phase, 3 departments, Computer Science and Information Technology, Business Administration and Commerce have been established to offer 4-year bachelor programs. The Department of English Language and Literature will be launched in January 2014. The Sindh government approved PC1 for Rs $1,000.234 million in December 2012 for further development of the campus. Shikarpur campus is housed in already constructed building of C&S Government Degree College, Shikarpur. The building structure is being expanded and transformed to meet the scope of a modern university.
I was appointed as Vice Chancellor since last October. I have taken over so many steps to improve the university status, like establishment of Gender Study Center in my university, the establishment of Students Endowment Advancement Fund in collaboration with USAID. Our university is the only university which is located in the rural area and catering the majority of students belonging to poor families. We have bifurcated our examination system, annual and semester system, to accommodate the students in an easy manner. I have also established Alumni Association. We have signed MOUs with 5 international repute universities outside the country, and my university is a member of consortium for the upliftment of the social sciences. It is in collaboration with the Higher Education Commission. They are working for the upgradation of, especially for the students of social sciences. I have planned to open certain departments like Department of Environmental Sciences and Department of Islamic Studies. We have a program of pre-step in collaboration with USAID. There are so many future programs in my mind for my university, and I hope and I wish that with the help of Almighty God, I will be able to upgrade my university, ranking in the top universities of the world.